Okay, got the cylinder just about all assembled for the most, well, not assembled, I guess, all ready to get reassembled. There's the power valve assembly right in here. Actually, I have an example right here because I have two cylinders. This is your main valve on this. This is an RM. I believe, I don't know for sure, but I believe that they are the same for the I believe, I want to say 2000s to 2002, but in 03 they changed their power valve assembly. But it might just be 02 or 01 and 02 that are the same. These are your secondary valves that get actuated by this. There's a groove in here. Y'all can see that. There's that groove, and these secondary valves sit up in here on that pin, and there's a tensioner that get turned in here for your exhaust flow, and then your main valve right there, which is that big one, adjusts the size of the exhaust port depending upon your engine RPM. Low RPM, you need to have more back pressure in your expansion chamber, therefore you want a small exhaust valve, so to speak. So that's why, you know, we can shrink it, and that's why the technology with the power valve has been so influential, because you can modulate the when your power band kicks in. And then on this, I'll show y'all later on how we adjust the tension, which is very simple, which is on this spring here. Well, this is the spring that's responsible for the tension, but actually this is what you're going to see on the outside. Well, it's going to be actually, that one's black, but it's going to be looking like this, and you're just going to twist it just a little bit. And what that'll do is, when you have your governor assembly over here, which is in this side of your bike, which, well, I got to put this together, don't worry about it. You know, this right here is connected up on your, there's a gear up in here, and it's kind of switched up in here, but this should spring back freely. So we'll get that all rocking and rolling. We've got the radiators in, that's good. What else? We got some more plastics on. We've got the rear plastic on here. So we're making the progress, and that's what we need, and that's what we're talking about, progress.